I am Aryan, studied visualization from METAcademy. My key to success goes to METAcademy. It is one of the best learning experience out in METAcademy, intensive and fun. METAcademy's 3D interactive videos make me clear the concept easily and less time, and 3D models really help in visualizing fact in understanding chapters better. Shorts 3D notes provided by them are very effective in revision. The concept provided was very helpful in preparing for my exam. They not only provide 3D classes but also mock test and detailed solution, which is helpful while studying. The way of teaching in 3D mode is different from other and also very interactive.